In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your Weebly password. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to Weebly's login page. Click Login, then enter the email address associated with your Weebly account. On the password screen, click Forgot Password. Enter your email address or phone number if prompted, then click the button to send the password reset instructions. Check your email inbox for a password reset message from Weebly. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click the password reset link. Follow the instructions to create a new password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've saved your new password, return to the Weebly login page and sign in using your updated credentials. That's how to reset your Weebly password. Thanks for watching.